photoelectric effect gave evidence to the strange fact that light in interaction with matter behaved as if it was made of quanta or packets of energy. It is each of having h nu energy. Einstein arrived at the result that the light quantum can also be associated with momenta h nu by c. A definite value of energy as well as momentum is a strong sign that light quantum can be associated with a particle. The particle was later named photon. Particle-like behavior was further confirmed in 1924 by the experiment of A.H. Compton on scattering of X-rays from electrons. In 1921, Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize for this contribution. In 1923, Millikan was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the photoelectric effect. We can summarize the photon picture of electromagnetic radiation as follows. First one, in interaction of radiation with matter, radiation behaves as if it is made up of particles called photons. Second point, each photon has energy E is equal to h nu and momentum P is equal to h nu by c. And here speed c is the speed of light. Third point, all photons of light of a particular frequency nu or wavelength lambda have the same energy E is equal to h nu or E is equal to hc by lambda, and momentum P is equal to h nu by c or P is equal to h by lambda, whatever the intensity of radiation may be. By increasing the intensity of light of given wavelength, there is only an increase in the number of photons per second crossing a given area, with each photon having the same energy. Thus, photon energy is independent of radiation. Fourth point in this consideration, photons are electrically neutral and are not deflected by electric and magnetic field. So these are not influenced by the electricity and magnetism effects. Fifth and final point, in a photon particle collision such as photon electron collision, the total energy and total momentum are conserved. However, the number of photons may not be conserved in a collision. The photons may be absorbed or a new photon may be created. This is an important result. The number of photons may not be conserved, it may not be constant. It can be generated or created or annihilated by the process.